Provide. Provide. The hotel provides free breakfast every morning. The hotel provides free breakfast every morning. Attend. Attend. Did you attend the training session last week? Did you attend the training session last week? Reserve. Reserve. I'd like to reserve a table for 2 tonight. I'd like to reserve a table for 2 tonight. Policy. Policy. Please read the return policy before you buy. Please read the return policy before you buy. Submit. Submit. You need to submit the report by Thursday. You need to submit the report by Thursday. Display. Display. New products are on display near the entrance. New products are on display near the entrance. Indicate. Indicate. The sign indicates the way to the nearest exit. The sign indicates the way to the nearest exit. Update. Update. She sent an update about the project by email. She sent an update about the project by email. Apologize. Apologize. He apologized for missing the morning meeting. He apologized for missing the morning meeting. Vehicle. Vehicle. Leave your vehicle in the basement parking lot. Leave your vehicle in the basement parking lot.